In the last movie, we got a better understanding of how PHP is processed by the web server based on the file ending and the open and closing PHP tags. Now we can use those PHP tags to actually embed our first PHP. And we're going to do that with the classic computer hello world function. Now, we have our basic.html that we've already created. I'm going to go ahead and just do a save as on that file. And I'm going to save it as hello world. And I'm going to change the file suffix to be PHP. You remember that's important. And I'm going to save it in my PHP sandbox. And now I can feel free to put PHP code in here, and the web server will take that file, process any PHP that's in there, and serve HTML back to our browser. And let's go ahead and do that with Hello World. Let me just change the title here to Hello World. And we're going to do that by starting our PHP tags. And you'll see that TextMate helpfully added the closing tags for me. If you're using a text editor that provides that kind of code hinting, guessing what you're going to want, it will do the same thing for you. If not, you'll need to type it yourself. So we're going to use the echo function, echo hello world. There we go. And the last thing I need is the semicolon. Now that's going to be the structure of a basic PHP statement. We're going to have what we want to do, which in this case is echo. The object of that is hello world. And the semicolon at the end is going to serve as an instruction separator. It's going to let it know this is the end of this instruction. Remember, because white space can be thrown in there anywhere, so sometimes we're going to need those instruction separators to let PHP know this is the end of this statement. And now you can move on to the next statement. And it's going to complain to us if we don't have the semicolons in there. Now, in truth, if you're using a one-line, single-command PHP statement in there, it doesn't get confused. And it knows if you leave that semicolon out, it won't complain. But it's a very good habit, definitely in your best interest, to go ahead and get in the habit of always, always, always putting semicolons at the ends of your statements. Because once you start working with complex PHP code, it will complain. So let's go ahead and save that file. I'm just going to use Apple S to save it quickly. And for Windows users, that's going to be Control S to quickly save it. And I can switch back to my browser. And instead of loading up basic.html, which I did before, I'm now going to load up hello world.php. And you'll see there we go. It gave hello world back to us. And let's actually view our source code here. We can go to the view source, page source from the view menu. And you'll see that we have the HTML, head, title tags, body tags, and everything like that, as well as